Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2020 S560 Maybach. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door, they're both in good condition. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move along the back of the car. The trunk looks perfect. Also, the back bumper looks good as well. So everything back here is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door, they're both in good condition. Do not see any dents or scratches. And now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel. And this fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, the seat is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. Let's move on to the back seat. Excellent. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Okay, that looks very good. Let's take a look at the door panel. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Everything looks excellent. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. That looks excellent. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.